can see this is my room, and I'm at this guy while we are coming to our track. So we met at a taxi, and that's our room. That's a normal room. You can find the मतलब ठीक है अच्छा है. So that's the Bella. Bella is our one more our traveler. So we found at a hotel. So she will be living with us. This one is because this is a 4 bed, so we already rented the full room, and I think you should uh, try this room if you are. I will show you the outside view also. Because of raining, because our raining is clothes and everything. तो आप देख सकते हो अपने हिसाब से कि आपको क्या क्या लेना है. I will show you that view. That is green lodge. There you can see this is green lodge.